the One More stylish true wireless earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. Today we will be looking at another pair of wireless earbuds that come in at $99. These are the One More stylish true wireless earbuds, and they come in several color options. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a multi-language user guide, a micro USB cable for charging, and various sizes of ear tips and O-hooks. And you also get a carrying pouch. Just to go over some brief specs, you get 6.5 hours of listening time and 24 hours with the case. It features quick charge. 15 minutes of charge time will give you about 3 hours. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, and AAC. It has a function button, micro USB for charging, and it's sweat resistant. The case is plastic all around and it has a nice compact shape. You can see the One More branding on the top. The front of the case has the LED status light and the case clasp. On the back, you have the micro USB port for charging. Having the button to open the case is nice and it keeps it secure. The lid is pretty firm. The earbuds are held into place by magnets. And inside the case, you have the left and right ear indicator markings. The earbuds are small and light, and plastic all around with a matte finish. It has an oval shape to it. On the outside, you have the branding, and inside you have the left and right ear indicators. Each of the earbuds features a microphone and an LED on the side, the function button, an interchangeable O-hook buckle or wingtip, and an interchangeable silicone ear tip. Changing out the tips and hooks is just a matter of peeling it back and aligning it with the notch. And here you can see them side by side. The earbuds have a function button which is located on the top. The left side controls are as follows. Press 1 time for play, pause, answer, and call. Press 2 times for next track. Press 3 times for previous track. Press 2 times for voice assistant. And a long hold for 2 to 3 seconds will turn it on or off. And the right side controls are identical to the left side. And now for some measurements. The case comes in at about 2.6 by 1.5 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at about 39 grams, and the earbuds come in at about 12 grams. And now for a quick microphone sample. This is a test of the One More stylish true wireless earbuds microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Call quality was very clear and the other parties had no issues hearing me. The earbuds also connect very quick when you remove them from the case. You can use them in mono, left or right earbud individually if you prefer. Watching videos, I didn't experience any latency using an iOS device, and range was pretty good. So here are my thoughts on the One More stylish true wireless earbuds. and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be very comfortable and they fit pretty well. It provides a nice seal. The button placement is also a plus, being on the top, so you don't press into your ear canals when navigating. They also stayed into place while running. Build and quality is okay. It's a simple design with a plastic charging case. It does protrude out a bit more than other earbuds that I have tested, so to me, I wish the form factor was a bit slimmer. I would have liked to seen some water resistance or a better IPX rating. The sound is pretty good. The lows were just okay for me. I expected a bit more bass and I felt it was lacking, and not as tight sounding. Mids and highs were very good, and this is what stood out for me. Vocals and instruments come in very clear, and it's just the right amount of treble. You can listen at a high volume level and still get clean sounds. I tested it with various music genres and it was pleasant across the board. It gives you balanced sounds with not too much bass. There is definitely some value here, and these can be a good choice for those that are seeking earbuds that just fall in under $100. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.